Hi all, welcome to our channel. All the things I will be using will be mentioned in description below. To start with, I have covered my desk with tissue papers. I will be using alcohol ink paper and two inks in color jet black and gold. We'll also need isopropyl alcohol 99% and a air pump. So I'm dropping jet black ink and 2 drops of gold ink, and with the help of isopropyl alcohol and rubber pump I'll push the ink. Similarly pushing in the another direction. So we'll keep on doing the same process. Keep pushing the ink in different directions and in different sizes so it will look good. Doing the same thing on the top half of the paper. Pushing the ink in different directions. So this is a very quick process. I took approximately 9 minutes to finish this, but the result will turn out very beautiful. I just wanted to darken the jet black ink, so I added more. With the help of this process, we can make greeting cards, wall arts, and backgrounds for some paintings. So at the end of this video, I'll attach some mock-ups so that you could see how it will look on the wall arts. You could keep on diluting the alcohol ink with the isopropyl alcohol till you are happy with the results. The top half is looking little darker than the bottom, so I'm adding more jet black ink at the bottom section. So now it looks good, so I'll stop here. See how beautiful the gold ink is looking with the jet black ink. So here are few mock-ups. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video.